Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
O people, certainly this world is a passage. While the next world is a place of permanent abode. So take from the passage all that you can for the permanent abode. Do not tear away your curtain before him who is aware of your secrets. Take away from this world your hearts before your bodies go out of it. Because herein you have been put on trial. And you have been created for the other world. When a man dies, people ask what property he has left, while the angels ask what good actions he has sent forward. May Allah bless you. Send forward something, it will be a loan for you. And do not leave everything behind, for that would be a burden on you. Regard your stay in the world as very short and return to Allah with the best provision that is with you, because surely in front of you lies a valley difficult to climb and places of stay full of fear and dangers.